This episode of Photonics Hot List is brought to you by Aerotech, precision motion control and automation. Take control, speed, precision, performance.
Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. As time passes, the paints used in some of the world's most significant artwork, pieces by Monet, Van Gogh, and Picasso, for example, begin to fade, taking their vibrancy with them. But a laser imaging approach could turn that around. Researchers at Duke University are now using pump probe microscopy to detect chemical changes in pigment that indicate the onset of its decay. The team is focusing particularly on cadmium yellow, made from cadmium sulfide, a chemical compound used often by European artists throughout the late 19th and early 20th centuries. With their pump probe microscopy technique, which uses ultra-fast laser pulses of near-infrared light, the researchers can identify chemical compounds present in a paint pigment sample. Specifically, their work involves focusing the laser on various sections and depths of a cadmium yellow paint sample subjected to an artificial aging process. From the chemical fingerprints obtained, the researchers can create 3D maps of specific pigments to more accurately monitor changes and degradation, even before they're visible to the naked eye. During medical procedures, getting deep into the body for the clearest view possible can help ensure successful outcomes. With this in mind, researchers have created a system capable of hyperspectral imaging in the visible range and beyond. A collaborative group led by researchers at the Tokyo University of Science and Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology have developed a rigid endoscope system that can analyze samples in even the deepest and smallest spaces, essentially areas not typically observable by the human eye alone. The new system uses a supercontinuum light source that produces intense coherent white light and an acousto-optic tunable filter which extracts specific wavelengths of light. The researchers say this combination allows simple light transmission to a light guide and can change between a vast range of wavelengths within a millisecond. The team is now developing a lens that corrects chromatic aberration in the visible to near-infrared range, an existing issue with their rigid endoscope setup, as well as an algorithm that can select specific wavelengths for imaging in real time. In a strong field laser physics first, researchers in China are enhancing the focus of petawatt or ultra-intense lasers using hyperbolic mirrors. The new approach, developed by a team from the Key Laboratory of Ultra-Intense Laser Science and Technology at the Shanghai Institute of Optics and Fine Mechanics, involves a rotational hyperbolic mirror, an optical component that precisely and accurately focuses light from one focal point to another, paired with a parabolic mirror, which gathers and focuses light on a single point. This combination allows light that would otherwise converge to just one focus to actually also converge to another. Optimizing the hyperbolic mirror's parameters dramatically increases the angle of convergence, in turn considerably reducing the focal spot size to a single wavelength. Focusing a focal spot to the smallest possible size significantly enhances a petawatt laser's experimental capabilities, the researchers say, and ultimately maximizes performance. The team is now working to increase the focused intensity of a 10 petawatt laser, which could help advance existing femtosecond petawatt class lasers and future exawatt class lasers. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Until next time.